Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you just search for King Piers LLC, it's a simple search. You should be able to find it right there and find all of the hundreds of videos from all of our current and past projects. We're out here again in Garden City. We're finishing up the project out here. We have done another coat of the white Drylock paint over the walls. We have finished our new 6x6 treated wood support beam installation. Hard to see, we're cleaning up the floor right now, but we have created new 2 foot by 2 foot, 2 foot thick concrete footings directly underneath these beams. And really all that's left, aside from cleanup, we got a lot of stuff here we need to get outside. We're going to finish the day up painting the floor with some, again, Drylock paint, but we tinted it gray. So I'll try to sneak back here just to show you. We are almost halfway done with the little side room here. So everything's looking real good in there. So a couple more hours, we should be able to have this all finished up, and then really the only thing that's left is we're going to paint the stairs with the same gray Drylock, and then we're going to paint the 2 walls on the entryway. And then here on the outside, the last little thing that we're doing is some exterior drainage. So we'll take a quick walk to the side. So we've already got our petromat and our gravel ready to roll. We just need to finish up the digging here in the next few minutes, so we'll get this all finished up. We're getting it all cleaned up right now, as you can see. So that should be it for today. So for all your foundation peering needs, please don't ever hesitate to give us a call. You can reach us directly at 1-816-288-4373. You can also go to our website,